Let's have a look at question 4 now. So an investor wants to invest 25 euros in stocks. Now there are 3 stocks with a certain returns. So stock A yields a profit of 10 euros with a probability of 0.8 and a loss of 5 euros with a probability of 0.2. Now stock B yields 10 euros in profit with probability of 0.5 or nothing, meaning 0, with the same probability. And stock C would yield a profit of 100 euros with a probability of 0.95 and a loss of 1,740 euros with a probability of 0.05. Now all of them cost 5 euros a piece. Okay. This guy's gonna invest the money in the stock with the highest expected profit. Now he's gonna purchase all the stocks of company C, meaning we are working now with expected profits. Whenever we work with expectations, we're working with probabilities, and we have the data over here, the probabilities and the values that we're dealing with. To find out the expected values, we will use both the probabilities and the outcomes. So let's start. The expected profit, right, or let's say just the expected value, because that's kind of how we're used to from math. The expected value of the stock A is going to be the following. That's going to be 80% chance of getting 10 euros in profit. So that's 0.8 times 10, and a 20% chance, or 0.2, that we're losing 5 euros. So times minus 5. I'm doing it right now on the calculator. That's going to be 0.8 times 10 minus 0.10 times 5, that's equal to 7. So the expected value here is gonna be 7. Now let's replicate the same for the stock B. Expected value of stock B is gonna be the following. We will have the following probability: 0.5 probability of getting 10 in profit. So we would have 0.5 times 10 plus the remaining probability of 0.5. We will get 0. So 0.5 times 0, 0.5 times 0, 0.5 times 10 is gonna be equal to 5. This is a 5. All right, now one more time. Expected value of stock C. Expected value of stock C is gonna be the following. We will have a 95% probability of winning 100. So we have 0.95 times 100. This is gonna be 100 plus 0.05 that we might lose 1,740. So minus 1,740. I'm doing it right now on the calculator. 0.95 times 100 minus 0.05 times 1740. That's equal to 8. So what we can see here is that the expected value of the stock C is the highest, meaning that it is the one that's most likely to give the most profit. So yes, the investor is gonna go for option C. And that's what they say here. So the answer to this question is true. And we're done.